Today, we're gonna make a gingerbread house mansion. I think making a gingerbread house is one of the hardest Christmas DIYs anyone can do. They always turn out absolutely terrible. They never stick together properly. And so today, we're gonna try to make a mansion. I'm gonna use 3 different gingerbread house kits. Gingerbread house kit number 1. Gingerbread house kit number 2. And gingerbread house kit number 3. Which is actually a gingerbread village. We're just gonna put it all together and make a gingerbread house mansion. That's what we're gonna attempt to do anyway. I've already preemptively realized that the icing is probably going to suck, so I did buy this tulip puffy paint in white glitter to add a little extra pizzazz if we need it, and I also have my glue gun at the ready for when it inevitably becomes needed. No one's gonna eat this gingerbread house. We're not eating this, we're not eating this. Okay, so we may use some non-edible items. Okay, let's get into it. Let's open up each one of these. My kids are gonna be so upset when they realize I did all of these gingerbread houses without them. Okay, also, it should be noted, I am wearing like junk clothes today because I know this is gonna get messy because I'm terrible at these, so here we go. Okay, so we got some candy. I think the first thing we should do is take everything out of every box and like put all the candy together. Why is this so hard to get into? What? Surprise, surprise. It's pre-built. Oh, this is very exciting. This is wonderful news. Okay, is this one pre-built? This one says easy build, which sounds like a lie. This one's flat packed, so we're gonna have to build this one. But this is actually kind of good because that makes me feel like, that was kind of loud, sorry. That makes me kind of feel like this can be like our main building, and then we'll just kind of like add on to it. So we're gonna put icing over here, candy over here.
Here we go again.
And here's some gingerbread. It smells so good. I gotta remind myself, we're not eating this. We're not eating this, we're not eating this. There will be hot glue and puff paint. We are not eating this. The little ones, they're so cute. Okay, this is the village. All right, candy. Okay, let's get all these unshrink wrapped. Okay, so we do have this little guy here. It's like our second house. This has like little cobblestone along the sides. Can you see that? Very detailed. Okay, what we need to do is shave off this part of the roof line that's like overlapping so I can set things right up next to it. Okay, now this side. Okay, so our main hut, our main unit. I'm trying to see if any of this is like the same height as each other because I kind of want to do like these two sticking off the sides, but then we won't have like a back piece. We're definitely hot gluing this. I'm not even gonna try the icing. We all know this is gonna be a disaster. We're hot gluing it. We're gonna let the hot glue gun heat up a bit. So first, we're gonna put, wait, what does the back look like? Ah, the back and the front look the same. That's perfect. Okay, gotta shave some more off. Such a beast to clean up later. Okay. It's gonna smell so good and then taste so bad. No one's eating hot glue and food. What an interesting combination. Disgusting. Okay. Now you. Wow, so much hot glue. Luckily I have enough hot glue.
A few moments later.
It is not sticking together so well. So that is an interesting development, but it's gonna be okay. And if we don't use every piece, then that's okay too. Okay, now we're gonna glue this piece to the back over here for every time. All right, you there. Oh, Okay, once this dries, we're gonna have like an addition to our house, and then we just have to go in and add the roof pieces. Okay, so now we gotta add the roof. We're gonna have to cut it, and it needs to be from this kit, or else it's gonna be a mess. There's glue stuck to me somewhere. There it is. Can you see? Let's just start by cutting like a notch. Okay, and then that makes like too big of a overhang, so let's cut that off. Oh my gosh, what am I? Oh no! No! Okay, this is fine. Everything's fine. Let's just glue it back on, and then we'll glue that piece on. It'll be fine. It's gonna be fine. Everything's fine. It's all fine. Okay, you know what?
A few moments later.
Okay, nothing is stuck. Literally nothing is glued to the... Okay. Okay. So I need to glue this piece right here. So we'll start with that. Okay, now let's get this broken up. And then we gotta glue this piece back on because it fell off. I just cut the wrong spot. Okay. Let's cut the roof first. Oh, look at me. That was much better. Okay, so you are gonna go here. Yeah, and then I just have to cut this part. Not too much pressure, but don't overdo it. Oh my goodness, it's like I'm a professional the second time around. Okay. So we're just gonna put a little piece right here where it's supposed to attach, just a tiny bit of glue. That's funny because I will. Ah! Stay. All right, don't glue your finger, don't glue your finger, don't glue your finger, don't glue your finger. Have no fear. That piece didn't break. So, okay, let's glue this back together. Okay, that has to be cut like that. It's definitely gonna be like sticking up a little bit because I didn't do the angle perfectly right, but it's gonna look great. Okay, so we definitely need to do that. What are we doing? How's it look from your angle? Cute? Are they looking cute? Okay, so let's do, we need like a, okay, I'm gonna cut this into two little rectangles, and then we're gonna use that as our little roof for this part. That wasn't a great idea. But maybe if we do it like this. No. Well, let's just put that guy up there. Because I like it. And it just has like this little decorative triangle. Because remember, we have candy to cover our mistakes. And icing. Copious amounts of icing. Where's my little triangle? I kind of want it to be here. We still have this guy, this hut, and a bunch of triangles, and a couple little squares. Those might become pavers later. I think we should we're gonna do a little piece right here. What's a serious gingerbread makers say? I'm pretty sure there's like a Hallmark movie about this very situation actually. How? And all written out of cardboard. Like, held together by hot glue and dreams. Okay. Now we're gonna use our decorating icing to just fill in some of the gaps. This is, let me open this. Okay, remove the cap. What? Keep icing count. Gotcha, okay. Do I have to like twist it? No, I don't. Okay, here we go. Those 2 Reese cups are really spurring me on. Okay. Let's get in there. Okay. We're getting there. This is like the hardest angle because it's like...
A few moments later.
Let's get some candy. Maybe these first. Okay, now I feel like I'm like sweating from doing this. Why is this so hard? Okay, let's get the gumdrops on top. That's like a classic touch. I will be color coding them, so. There's not another purple? Let's go set her somewhere Christmassy and do like a full look at this beauty.